Okay, I would like to talk to you about the verb ser. We talked about the verb ser before, but I would like to emphasize it just by itself, away from estar. We understand that ser means to be, just like estar. However, ser means a different situation here. I should say perhaps different situations here. Yes, look over here. Ser, as we know, means to be. You're going to use the verb ser when you want to talk about the origin, where you come from. For instance, if I ask you, ¿de dónde eres? Where are you from? Well, I'm going to use the second person singular, right? The second singular, because I'm asking you. Okay? Where are you from? Just like in English. And then you're going to reply to me, first singular. I am from Sylvester. So you're going to reply first singular. You're going to say, yo soy de Sylvester. Okay? So that's to emphasize the origin. Now, you can also use the verb ser to talk about the profession, the job that you got. For instance, as a teacher, I can say, yo soy profesor. Note that I do not use the indefinite article in the front of profesor. Because when you talk about jobs, you don't have to use the indefinite article. No need for that. So, when you talk about the profession, use the verb ser. When you want to tell time, same thing. You're going to have to use ser. Now, the rule says that ser is used with a condition that does not change, with the essence. And you may argue that telling time changes, because time moves through the day, right? Okay, great. But what you need to think about is the number itself. Let's say you say to me, it's 3 o'clock. It's 3 is 3, it's not 4, okay? I know the time is going to move to 4, but the number 3 remains 3. And that's the idea behind it. The numbers remain the same within themselves. So the rule says that when you talk about telling time, you must use the verb ser. I would like you to look at the board over here with me, just so that you can see the translation. You know, right here in black, I have the Spanish spelling. So, repeat after me. Yo soy. Yo soy. I am. Tú eres. Tú eres. You are. Singular still. Él, ella es. He or she is. Singular. Third. Let's move on down the line. Nosotros somos. Nosotros somos. We are. Plural. First person plural. You all are. Vosotros sois. Okay? Second person plural. And then finally, ellos, ellas son. They are. Ellos, ellas son. Third person plural. Okay? So what you really must understand here is that you are dealing with what we call an irregular verb. You cannot look at ser like any regular ER verb. You cannot take off the last 2 letters of the infinitive and replace them by the appropriate ending. It's not going to work. It's irregular. You look at the first one, first singular, you got a Y. With a regular ER ending, you would have a O, which already tells you the verb is irregular. So what you must do, you must sit down and take the time, look at it, look at the spelling in Spanish, understand what the translation is in English, and memorize it. There is no other way. I'm sorry to tell you this, but if you want to remember the irregular verbs, you're going to have to memorize them. Well, now it's all up to you. Good luck with that. Thank you.